All right, before we go on into the practical session, we'll have to check what are the importance of diagnostics. And before I go further, there are some terms that you have to get used to as we move forward. We have terms like OBD, which is onboard diagnostics. We have terms like CEL, which is check engine light. We have um, terms like DLC, which is data link connection. So let's go into importance of diagnostics while troubleshooting. We have several importance of diagnostics, but we're going to be working with like 5 most important ones or 6 most important ones among them. The first one is accuracy and precision. When you diagnose a car, you negate the process of guesswork on a car. You ensure the correct identification of issues, preventing unnecessary parts replacements. E.g., when a battery is faulty and an alternator is faulty. With the diagnostic tool, you'll be able to determine whether it is the battery that is faulty or the alternator that is faulty. That's where you take diagnostic tool. Compared to if it was earlier, you just go and buy battery, it won't work, then you have to buy alternator. So diagnostics takes care of accuracy and precision. Then the second one is cost efficient. When you diagnose a car, it brings the exact problem and it reduces guesswork, lowering repairs cost. The third one is time saving. Diagnosis saves a lot of time. Trying to troubleshoot a car without a scanner, you keep going from A to here to here to here, but with a scanner you'll be specific and you face what exactly you are dealing with. There will be no need tampering with other system in the car that might cause other errors. Then safety assurance. Correctly diagnosing critical systems to ensure correct repairs to address genuine safety risk, e.g., brakes and steering. There are some faults on cars that might be intermittent, that is hidden. With the diagnostic tool, you'll be able to address these issues easily, especially when it comes to brake and steering. If a brake is about to be faulty and you don't know, and you don't scan, the brake fails and you wouldn't know anything. That's the fourth one. The fifth one here is complex system management. There are some cars with complex systems, like the hybrid cars, the electric cars. With diagnostics, we're able to trace the exact fault without missing anything. The sixth one, environmental responsibility. I think we have something strong on this. Environmental responsibility. It reduces unnecessary parts replacement, curb waste, and environmental impact like carbon emission. And in trucks, nitrogen oxide emissions. In cars, we have carbon emission. In trucks that uses diesel, we have nitrogen oxide emission. Diagnostics takes care of this. Like we all know, carbon emission is not good for the earth that we live in. Nitrogen oxide emission is not good for it. So with diagnostics, you'll be able to know the sensors that are faulty, that helps in reducing the carbon emissions from cars and nitrogen oxide emissions from trucks. Number 7 of the importance of diagnostics, you earn the customer's trust. You earn the customer's trust. When a customer brings a car and you go directly to the point, you buy exactly what is faulty on the car, since the car can speak through their OBD ports. Once you hear from the car, you analyze the fault and you buy exactly what the car needs. I think you have a full trust of any car owner with that. Then we have preventive insights. This is when we talk about intermittent faults, pending faults. There are some faults that the car will give you. The effect of the damage is not yet being shown, is not yet noticed on the car, but it is coming on the way. We call them intermittent faults or pending faults. With a good diagnostic tool, you'll be able to get intermittent faults and address it fast before it turns to something big.